You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French basketball player. If you want to learn more names from basketball that are confusing, stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up. French pronunciation of his name, the way he would pronounce it. He would say it Nicolas with a silent S. It's silent in French. Nicolas, not Nicolas. Nicolas Batum. Batum. Nicolas Batum. Therefore, the English pronunciation, you can pronounce it as Nicolas Batum. Nicolas Batum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.